Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Clean With Me video. This week it was inspired by the fact that we had company coming over. So you'll notice in this video that I am focusing heavily on areas where our company would either see that room or be in that room. And I'm not focusing on my office, my bedroom, my bathroom, because those aren't really places that anybody goes in except for James and I. So yeah, that is what we're doing in this video. I am just cleaning away at all the areas where people would actually see it. Also want to point out that this was the messiest part of the apartment, and we just have this bad habit of letting mail pile up. It's all junk mail. I don't know why we don't just throw stuff away, but James is obsessed with he needs to get a shredder and shred everything. So I think that's why he just leaves it there, and I don't know what to do with it because most of it is his mail. But I mean, don't get me wrong, I have mail on there too. I'm just as guilty as he is, but I don't know what to do with it. But in this video, I did actually go through and clean all that up. I didn't show it because obviously it's our mail. I don't want to put that out there on the internet. But just so you know, this area looks way better now, and the table is clean and there's not a bunch of mail on top of it, so that's good. We're also gonna work on that bad habit of just collecting mail. I don't know why. I don't know why this happens, but it does, and this is real life, and I just wanted to share it with you guys, so yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna kind of pop in and out in this video, but I'm also gonna have cleaning music play for you guys, so that way it's not just me talking. So get ready for some cleaning music and some motivation, and let's just get into this. So I wanted to quickly address one thing. You might notice in some of the clips, Dixie has a cone on her head, and then in some of them, she doesn't. So she had surgery last week. She's doing really, really well, and she's finally at the point where they tell her, they told me, she could run around and play and stuff. So I'm trying to give her a break from the cone. I still have to keep it on her some because she does try to lick her stitches, but I am trying to give her a break. So if you are wondering, why sometimes she has a cone and sometimes she doesn't, that's why. She just had surgery, but thankfully we get her stitches out later this week and no more cone head for her, which is awesome.
The dance goes on. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we got it going and the dance goes on. We got it going and I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. Body. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go.
So I did actually wipe down this toilet. I know that you're not going to see that because apparently I didn't film that part. I didn't film me doing that, but I did, in fact, wipe it down with some disinfectant. Just wanted you to know that. Like, I did actually clean it, but for some reason, I just didn't film it. Sometimes filming Clean With Me's can be hard, especially if I'm in a time crunch and I'm like, I've got to get this done because we have people coming over. But I did actually do that, just in case you were wondering. It's all good. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this Clean With Me. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to see more from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.